YouTube. What to do? FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. And today, I know I told you I had something good for you. Bringing them back out. But not only this time, the Andis Masters. It's time to deep clean them. So in today's video, I will be showing you how to deep clean the Andis Masters. And what comes with a deep clean, man, we get in all the hair from inside of them. Hey, told you got a good one for you. It's FadeMasterLos here. Before I go, make sure you click that like, that comment, and also subscribe. FadeMasterLos here, live and direct. Let's go. Interested in any of the tools that you see in this video, click the link down below. The best tools you can get. Now I won't be showing you how to do this here, or I have a little station at the crib where I work on my clippers. So we're gonna jump straight to that. So let's go ahead and go.
Hold up, Dia. This you?
So here we have it. That's Andis Masters. Right, just the Andis Masters. Now, for this video, you're gonna need a few things. As you see it in the background, that Andis Cool Care. You'll need some type of brush. Toothbrush could do, or any clipper brush is perfectly fine. Also, a screwdriver. Gonna need a screwdriver. So let's jump straight to it. Step one, we're going straight to take this top blade off. We're gonna take this blade completely off. Don't mess with none of these screws. Alright. Okay, you see it. We're gonna go ahead and clean that blade off. Get every piece of hair that you see up out of it. That we're gonna spray some Cool Care on it. We're gonna sit that to the side. Next, we're gonna work on that bottom blade. Same thing. Get all the hair off of it that you see. I don't recommend taking this piece off. It's unnecessary. Not much hair is gonna get in between this and the blade. But just getting that, every piece of hair that you see off of it will do. And if you see this other hand in the background, that's my daughter. She wants to help this video. And the same concept. We're gonna spray them and we're gonna leave them sitting off to the side. Now I don't know if y'all can see it because there's a lot of hair sitting right there. A lot of hair sitting in these. You got 4 screws right here. A screw sitting right there. Screw sitting right there. Screw sitting right there. These screws are designed to tighten your lever. We're gonna take this off to get all the hair in between. But do not lose these screws because these are very important. Now we're gonna take that brush and we're gonna get all that hair out of there. Next, we're gonna hit it with that Andis Cool Care. As you can see, there's some hair still sitting up inside there. What we about to do now is we about to open that front and come in from the top side to get all that extra hair that's left. Now we're taking these screws out. Now as you can see, it's hair all through there, hair all through there, hair right up in there, and we're gonna get all that hair up out of there, through there. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna take the brush and get all that extra hair out. Now be careful around this piece right here, and be careful around that piece right there. Those are your connectors, and you do not want to pull them out, because if you do, your clippers are not going to be working. You got to sit it back. The Andis. Piece right here, I'm going to take that piece all the way out. I'm going to take the brush, I'm going to clean that off too. Once we do that, I'm gonna spray it down with the Cool Care. Now with this piece right here, it is hair on it. We're gonna wipe that hair out of there too. Now be careful with this piece right here. OMG, this thing is sharp. I didn't realize how sharp it was. Actually, kind of cut myself a little bit on how sharp it was. So be very careful with this piece right here, because you do not want any accidents like I had. I had to make sure I said that. Now what we're gonna do next, we're gonna take that, disinfect that down too. All the stuff that we disinfect, we're sitting it away from everything else. All right, make sure you have your screws sitting separate. All the screws that you had, everything sitting away. As you can see, in the back right there, we got all the stuff that's sitting in the way. We took that black piece off so we could kind of maneuver this around to get some of that last little bit of hair. We took that piece off too. Take that brush, get all that hair out of there. We're gonna trench this down to get any hair that was still sitting in there up out of there. I'm gonna come back with that rag that we've been using the whole time. Clean every little piece of hair that was in there out of there. All right. Inside of your clipper should look somewhat like this. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? Got every last little bit of hair that was up in there, out of there. This is a deep clean. What we're pretty much doing is getting it all the way clean, back to how it would be with the factory. like I said, be very careful with this piece. Ooh, this thing is sharp. Be very careful with this piece. Now, next step after this is we're going to reassemble. But before we reassemble, I want to give a valuable note that I want y'all to know. So let me clean this up real quick and rearrange. Alright, with these pieces right here, you wanna put that cool care on them, and you wanna let it sit for about 15 minutes.